Dear friends, today let us discuss about 16 stocks including HDFC Bank, Bajaj Auto, Infosys, etc. Those have announced bonus or stock split or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. HDFC Asset Management Company. Current market price is rupees 3,708. Company announced a dividend of rupees 70 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. If the company finalizes the ex-dividend date and record date, definitely we will inform you through this channel. HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. Share is trading around rupees 601. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-dividend date and record date is 21st June 2024. Elecon Engineering Company Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1182 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share and announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 10 shares of Elecon Engineering, you will get a 2 rupees dividend for each and every share, and your 10 shares convert to 20 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Premier Explosives Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2080 per share. The company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Premier Explosive, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Davangere Sugar Company. Share is trading around rupees 90. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 10 shares of Davangere Sugar Company, your 10 shares convert to 100 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Nidhi Granites Limited. Current market price is rupees 210. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Nidhi Granites, you will get another 10 shares as bonus. So you will have 20 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Coal India Limited. Current market price is rupees 436 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 2nd May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing annual result. Bajaj Auto Limited. Current market price is rupees 8,798 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 80 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 14th June 2024. Benares Hotels Limited. Current market price is rupees 8,961 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Infosys Limited. Current market price is rupees 1,411. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28 per share. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is 1st June 2024. Aimco Elecon India Limited. Current market price is rupees 1,929 per share. This company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Reliance Industries Limited. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. Current market price is rupees 1,258. Ex-date and record date for dividend is not at all finalized. Canara Bank Limited. The bank finally announced the ex-date and record date for the stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date for the stock split is 15th May 2024. Current market price of Canara Bank is rupees 579. Tata Motors Limited. Current market price is rupees 964. Company announced a board meeting on 10th May. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing annual result. Larsen and Toubro. Current market price is rupees 3,512. Motilal Oswal recommends to buy this share for a target of rupees 4,260 per share. FIIs bought 5.56% stake in this railway company. This railway wagon company secures approval to supply powertrain components to USA's largest electric passenger vehicle producer. The name of the company is Ramakrishna Forgings Limited. The company is the suppliers of rolled, forged, and machined products. USA's largest electric passenger vehicle manufacturer approves powertrain components, marking the beginning of a strategic partnership. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.